Hey guys, welcome back. I am popping on today to play with these fun products. They're from Violet Studio, Home for Christmas line, and this is the Decoupage Squeeze card making kit. There's over 800 pieces. There's all of these gems and punch out pieces and all kinds of stuff like that. So this is the cover. I have done an unboxing for this, but I thought I'd run through it really quickly. It comes in super sturdy packaging, which is adorable. I actually saved the tissue paper and all of that to use to repurpose this for a gift later because they did such a nice job with it. So I'm gonna put that aside. And then let's see what we have. I've got these cute little mini tags. I've got these ribbon bows that I think are just adorable. I've got gems. I've got these great chipboard frames. I have 6x6 cards and envelopes. It's an 8-pack, and I love that it's square, and then a giant pad of punch out pieces. So I'm going to unpackage my goodies and start getting an idea of what I want to do, probably making 4 cards at a time because it will fit in the screen. So give me a second, I'll unpackage everything and we'll get some ideas going. So I separated out these great little punch out sheets. I think they're called decoupage sheets. And the card bases because I kind of want to play with absolutely everything. So I'm going to punch out different pieces and layer them up. I've got some scrapbook adhesive by 3L here because I want to punch some things up. Rather excited about all of this. Now I also have a paper pad that goes with this collection. Let me find it. It's right here. So I might just bring in some of these great patterns as well. And this has this nice little satin shine that would be great over this more matte finish or, you know, under it. So I can have some different vibes going on. So I'm going to have that handy. I think that's a good idea. So I'm playing along. I pulled out this pattern paper. I'm going to fill up the frame with it. There's these cute little tiny fenders that match up with a little love bug. I'm going to pop that on. I have a little bit of trimming from the, you know how you punch out the bits? I have to trim just a couple little pieces. This is a chipboard little tag. I'm going to pop the bow on. Then I'm going to see what we have. Kind of feel like popping the fa la la down below as well. I think that would be really, really cute. What else am I thinking? You know, there's some gray in this. Maybe I will grab my gray ink. I have a scrapbook.com gray ink. I'm going to grab that and ink up the edges. I think that'll be fun. Y'all, this is so darned cute. So I did come in with some Rainy Day gray #2 ink. It just creates like a little shadow more than like a bunch of color. And I like that. And I just have it on the pattern paper pieces. So let's see. Oh, I have this cute little Merry Christmas tag. I think I'm just going to pop that right there with this little minty aqua colored little bow, and that will be the cutest little Christmas card that you ever did see. Now I am using the bow on top of the little hole where the tag is, basically to keep myself from having to put any twine through there right now. I do have twine in another one of the little Violet Studio kits though. It came with, what colors twine did that one come with? It's so cute. It's this one right here. This is the card making compendium. It has little pom-poms and tons of twine. Such a great kit. I totally have all of my Christmas card supplies for this coming season, and it's going to be nice and seamless to put them together. I am jazzed about this. Go ahead and pop that right about there. Tiny dot of liquid adhesive on my pretty little fabric bow. And this one will be like, ta-da, done. Guys, look at, it's a 6x6 card. I mean, that adhesive is still drying. Got this great pattern paper. Thank goodness I have that. And it opens from the bottom. I thought that would be really cute to have them open just a little differently, but what a special card. And guys, the cardstock in these for the card bases, it is the thick stuff. Really nice quality. All right, I'm gonna pop this one aside to dry, and then I think I'll start working on this one right here with this kind of vanilla color. So let's see what we have here. I loved this card base with this aqua and all of these cute little vehicles going every which way for the holiday. I backed my chipboard frame. I thought I'd use chipboard frames on the first two. We have a bunch of them. There's two different styles, so I thought I would go ahead and use them. This one has the cutest little, like kind of a tan colored truck. And I punched this out too to bring the tan across. I'm not quite sure what we're doing with that yet. We'll figure it out. And I also punched out this grouping of these cute little Christmas trees. So I'm going to ink them all in and pop them up on some little adhesive dots. Some popped up, some not, to create a nice little Christmas tree scene. And like I said, I was just using a little bit of this rainy day ink because I thought it would be spot on for this collection. So I'm gonna pop the rest of these pieces up and all of that, and then I will show you my finished card in just a jiffy. These come together so easily. All right, y'all, here is this card. Look at the little gems on the tree. It is so cute. I have a nice little 'tis the season tag, chipboard, a couple little elements popped up, and there we have this beautiful yet simple to create little Christmas card. So I've started this little card. I chose this print little background. I super love that. And then there's a punch out that was like a partial Christmas tree. So I just popped that up on a little dot. Love the vintage truck. Love, 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 love the vintage truck. So let's see. I kind of like this tag. Looking at all, ooh, I like this big Merry Christmas right here. Okay, I'm taking that from another sheet, going rogue on it. That's fine. Let's ink up my little edges. Find that when I ink up the edges, I can find those little pokey bits that I need to trim super easily. And I'll pop this up on a little bit of adhesive, and I'm thinking of a little bow on it. How about, do I do a nice bright red bow? I think with a little red bow right on top. How stinking cute. I'm also thinking, gosh, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm super smitten with these bits. So I'm like, where can I put any of these on? I don't know if they're going to make it on here. You know, I could do the Christmas tree again. I am going to do that. And maybe I will do, gosh, I really liked it with the little red, gem. So I'm going to do that again, and I will show you this finished card in just a second. So look at how cute. I have the little bow. I did pop up my truck as well as my sentiment up on some foam adhesive. Little bling blings for my tree, and I have that second layer on the tree like we talked about. And that is it. Super simple, but cute, 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 cute. So the last one I'm going to do today is on this nice deep red cardstock. So let me get it set up and we will get playing with these cards. Guys, the quality is just like crazy thick. I love it. So lastly, I've got this little stack I'm popping together. The last thing I'm looking for on here, although I probably want to put some of these little gems on, is what color bow. And I haven't used this little taupey color yet, so I want to see if that will show up enough. No, I have such a light color palette here that let me see about this nice deep green. Oh, cute. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that together, pop things up on some foam adhesive, ink it all in, and I will show you this little cutie in just a moment. So this is my last little card. I've got a cute little bow. I did decide to pop a couple little tiny staples on the sides, and I really do like that. I think it adds just a tiny little something, and of course, once again, I did it in a top folding card kind of style. So that is what I have for my cute little cards from Violet Studio. Really love this decoupage card making kit. I'll have a couple still shots and I'll have some links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies. That's what I have for now, friends. I'll be back ever so soon with another video.